Can you guys see me? Yeah, today we got an unboxing of the Elite. This is a wing and pinion for 99, Trans Am. Series 2 we're in. You need to make sure what series we're in you got, what size housing, all that before you order wing and pinions, because you get the wrong one, it won't fit. So let's go ahead and open this up. There's a staple, I thought. So I guess this is the side we open. I just got a little box knife here. I think I cut the box. There we go. The box is not the best quality box. So let's close this. When using a knife, I always be safe. I dropped it. This is what's inside another box. Wow. I wasn't expecting that. And I think I unboxed it upside down. Okay. And this must be like the shims and stuff. Nothing else in the box. Got two boxes. So let's go ahead and take a look at the shims, shall we? This is the kit number. GM 7.5. Ooh, it's packaged very nice. You can see the bubble wrap. So we got a brush and all that good stuff. Got a nice new seal. Actually feels really good quality. Bushing. All kinds of shims. Some more shims. And a nut. So that's all that's in this box. So if you think about getting one of these kits, hopefully this video helps you decide if this is the quality you're looking for. How do we open this? I done opened it upside down once. Okay. Aha. Found you. Oh, and here's the part number. Oh. That's packaged extremely better than I thought it would be. So you get the spec sheet and tells you everything you need to know about new gear break-ins. Okay, so this is what we got. A new wing and pinion gear. And this is the quality. No sharp buzz on it. It's machined extremely good. I know some of the cheaper wing and pinions you get, some of the gears won't even be machined all the way good, and they won't fit properly, and you have to take a file and clean them up. These you do not. They are oily. You can see I do got a nice coating of oil on them. So I'm going to put these back up, and then I'll tell you what I think about it. So after checking out this kit, personally, I think it's pretty good quality. I don't know the fitment when going to install it, but it has no buzz on the gears. All the gears are finished very good. There's no overheating or anything, as I can tell of the gears in the process of making them. All in all, I think it's a pretty good kit. They do include shims and a brush that you get in this box with them. And the price will be in the description below if you're looking to maybe purchase one of these. So I said this is for a 98 Trans Am, 99 Trans Am Series 2 we're in. You will need to double check all your housing and your fitment and all that before ordering any kind of gear for your car. No matter what it is, you need to double check. So let me know what you think about this unboxing video. Let me know if it helped you decide. Let me know if you picking up a wing and pinion and what gear you're going with, what you're putting in. I enjoy hearing from everyone. And if you're new, get subscribed. I upload daily content. Always something new on it. And if you're a returning subscriber, I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.